What is up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a super awesome special video because, ladies and gentlemen, I bought a drone. That is right, I finally made the purchase that I've been wanting to make for years now. Like, I'm ready to take my travel content to the next level, literally to like the stratosphere. I bit the bullet and finally purchased the Dji Matic Mini. So what me and my boyfriend did was we split the costs of the Dji Matic Mini Fly More combo. This is the box that it came in. As you can see, it comes with way more accessories than just the original package. So I just want to show you some test shots, just messing around with the drone because it's just such an exciting thing for me. I don't know about you guys, but I love drones and like I've been watching drone videos nonstop, so kind of obsessed. So if anybody else is obsessed, you're in the right place. So first things first, I'm gonna show you the Dji Matic Mini coming in at 249 grams. It is super lightweight and lighter than my iPhone 11. Like, it's crazy. Isn't it the cutest? It's so tiny and it's just so lightweight. And this camera may be tiny, but do not underestimate it. This shoots at 2.7K, which is a little less brilliant than 4K, but way better than 1080. I'm really excited to get some shots on this. It's just perfect. It's so lightweight and it's so portable, which is absolutely what we need when we're traveling. Tiny but mighty, okay? That's the theme today. Along with the DJI drone, this kit comes with a ton of accessories, like I said. Of course, it's gonna come with the DJI controller. It's got its antenna things right here. It folds down to hold the cell phone, and then it comes with like an accessory wire which you plug your phone into in order for it to work. But along with those, we've got a really valuable part of this combo, and that is the case. It is perfect for just sliding in a suitcase or backpacking in my case. It can fit absolutely right into my REI travel backpack. It zips up and it's got a hard shell, but it's coated in a soft fabric, if you will. So along with those things, we've also got some extra joystick controllers, which I know you can't see, but I'm trying to keep some of it organized, the pieces that I'm not using. Some joystick controllers, extra cables for if like an Android wants to connect the phone to the controller. We've got a little baby screwdriver to work on the props if they need to be tightened or loosened. And we've got some replacement props, which to me is a pretty big deal because I crashed it already. Don't tell Seth. It's fine. It's fine. Just a couple, like, some pollen got on it and some leaves. So it comes with two cords here with an outlet, the DJI outlet that you can plug in. These are important for charging not only the controller, but the battery port, which we'll get to now. The kit came with 3 batteries. That's a big deal. They hold their charge for quite a while. Let's say one of the 3 needs to be charged or all 3 need to be charged. DJI already thought of that with the Fly More combo because they came out with a sick battery charger for 1, 2, 3 different slots. And get this, it also works as a power bank. So if I plug this in, I'm able to use the USB to charge the remote controller, to charge my iPhone, to charge anything that has a USB to blank cord. And I don't have them out now because I haven't flown it inside, but the kit also comes with Propeller Guards, which is kind of like a cage around all of the propellers so that if you are, you know, gonna crash it, then that's perfect for you. Maybe I should have had them on. But you know what, I'm new at this, so I thought this drone was the perfect baby little mini cute beginner drone. I've got everything charged up. I'm gonna get myself together and let's go take a walk outside. Maybe my mom will want to come out and we'll do some test shots and create awesome cinematic shots. Yeah, let's go play around and do some practice shots. couple of the maneuvers because there's trees around, so I can't do circle and I can't do helix, which are like, you know, the coolest things you can do. But droney is pretty sick. That's when it goes up and out slowly, and then rocket is just straight up, which is so sick too. I really wish I could do circle, but maybe I'll do like a follow-up video in an open field when like parks aren't shut down because of the coronavirus. I am so in love with this drone. Like, this thing is so sick. Like, I'm running around like dancing with it. I look like a fool if like my neighborhood were to walk by. Like, I would look like a total idiot, but I don't care. It's so cool. That was so fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're always doing travel tips, tricks, and experiences and everything in between. So I would love it if you would come join the crew. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you're staying safe and trying to occupy your time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!